Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this short video, I want to explain how you could quickly using Max Listener to set your file gamma input and output. In the bottom left side, simply press file gam in equal, for example, 1 and press enter. And for output, set file gam out equal 2.2 enter. If you want to check it is confirmed and the command was right, simply press up from your keyboard. You see the blue values are set, or go to scripting menu, Max Script Listener, and as you see they applied here. Thanks for watching.